Hello everyone, I'm Camelia. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for my new tutorial videos. Today I will going to show you how to make this granny square. Round 1. Start with a magic ring. Chain 3. This chain 3 is counted as 1 double crochet. Then chain 2. Double crochet into the ring. Chain 2. Double crochet into the ring. Chain 2. Double crochet into the ring. Chain 2. Continue with this pattern. We need 8 double crochet altogether. I will meet you at the end of round 1. We are at the end of round 1. Chain 2. Leave the loop. Go to the back. Find the 3rd chain. Slip knot. Chain 1. Round 2. Slip knot. Attach to any of the chain space. Chain 3. Then 3 treble crochet stitches. Yarn over twice. Go into the space. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over twice, go into the space. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over twice, go into the same space. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch into the same space. Then slip stitch into the next space. Chain 3. Treble crochet into the same space. One more. Another treble crochet stitches. Then chain 3. Slip stitch into the same space. Then slip stitch into the next space. Chain 3. 3 treble crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 3, slip stitch into the same space. Continue this pattern. I will meet you at the end of round 2. We are at the end of round 2. Turn over, find the first chain at the bottom of the petal. Pull over, tighten up, chain 1 for more secure. Round 3, slip knot, attach to the stitch in between 2 petals. Make sure it goes underneath the V. Chain 4. Go around the back of the petal. Slip stitch to the stitch in between of 2 petals. Make sure it's underneath the V. Slip stitch. Chain 4 again. Go around the back of the petal. Slip stitch into the stitch in between 2 petals. Go underneath the V. Continue with this. I will meet you at the end of round 3. We are at the end of round 3. Slip stitch into the stitch between 2 petals. This is the stitch that we started. Slip stitch. Round 4. Single crochet into the next chain space. Chain 2. This is regarded as 1 double crochet. Another 2 double crochet. Then chain 3. 3 more double crochet into the same space. We create a corner. Three double crochet into the next chain space. Then we are creating another corner. So 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets, all into this chain space. So double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, then 3 double crochet into the next space. 2, 3. Then we are back to the corner again. So 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and chain 3, and then 3 more double crochet stitches into the same space. 1, 2, 3. That's another corner. Then we chain, then 3 more double crochet into the next chain space. Double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3. Then we are creating another corner. So 3 double crochet into the next space. 1, 2, 3. Chain 3. 3 more double crochet into the same chain space. And then 3 double crochet into the next chain space. 1, 2, 3. Then slip stitch into the third chain. We have finished round 4. Round 5. Single crochet into this space. And then chain 2. We regard this as 1 double crochet. So we put 2 more double crochet and then we are in the corner space. So 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 more double crochet all into this corner space. And then 3 double crochet into this space. 1, 2, 3. Again, 3 double crochet into the next space. 1, 2, 3. And then we are at a corner space again. So 3 double crochet, chain 3, and then 3 double crochet in the same space. Continue with this pattern. I will meet you at the end of round 5. We are at the end of round 5. We leave this loop. Find the third stitch, third chain stitch. Go from the back. Pull over. Tighten up. Chain 1. We have finished this square. Don't forget to weave in the ends.